everybody, my name is Ashlyn and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to part 2 of my Valentine's Day series. For today's look, it's not as much as I wanted it to be, but she up there. So I'm going to be giving y'all this look right here that y'all see, and if you want to see how to get it, continue to watch and I'm going to get right into the video. But first I want to say, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Also, if you already like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, and if you want to see how to get this look, continue to watch and I'm going to get into the video. So I'm going to start this look off again because I actually just did it, but I fucked it up, so I'm actually gonna do something completely different. But that's cool though. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm gonna go into the matte book from the Crayon case, and I'm gonna take this maroon color here, and this is gonna be the color in my crease. I'm going back into the matte book and I'm taking that hot pink that was right above that red, and I'm gonna put her right above the red. Now that is perfectly blended, I was gonna add a lighter pink to it, but since I brought it up so high, I'm not gonna go do that. But I'm gonna go and cut a crease, and I'm gonna do that off camera. So I'll be back. So now that I got this nice sharp crease, I'm gonna take a fluffy flat brush and I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Neon Pink palette, and I'm gonna take this first light pink right here, pack it onto my eyelid. Taking that red color, I'm just gonna mesh my crease together. I'm trying to decide what I want to do next, because I know what I'm not doing. First thing I want to do is put on a black eyeliner. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm gonna just do like a half eyeliner, regular liner. So I still want something dramatic, but I don't know what to do no more. We're gonna add glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna add this really fine glitter to my eyes. It's like a rose gold color. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. Y'all see like how fine it is. Like I didn't even have to add no glue on it because it's not even that type of glitter. Okay, y'all, and as y'all probably could see, I went and I added a white liner over the black one. So yeah, it's pretty much, I mean, it's dramatic, but it's not as dramatic as I was going for. But it's cool. It's cool, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do my makeup off the camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the rest of what needs to be done. Okay, y'all, we is back. Y'all, I'm upset because y'all see this face? Maybe this face is big. I'm thinking I should put this on camera, but whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just put one shade on there, and that's the light pink. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. She went through a lot, but she's still cute. She still did her thing or whatever. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that as well. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video.